Well, hey there, how y'all doing? God bless you. Looks like here we got a shuffleball court. There's my son on playing, shooting some basketball. And we are here in Whitesville, Kentucky. Here at the Whitesville Community Park. Big part of what got me off the road here is this here Army tank. Yeah. Yep, for your safety, do not climb. Yep, and I was going to climb it. No, I'm just kidding. But it is USA tank. And over here we got a train. Yeah. Yeah, we got a train car right here. Yeah, it's pretty neat. Yeah, I just want to show you real quick. But God bless you. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.